to add a kill streak to your Fortnite map in 2024 creative, just like I have on my left side, as you guys can see on top. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So let's get into the video. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go to your island settings. And once you're in your island settings, you have to go to content, you have to go to devices, you have to search up tracker, and you have to get this one right here. And now you just have to place it right here. So place it, boom. Now you're gonna have to click on customize tracker. Then once you click on that, go on the second one right here, stats to track eliminations, reset on first spawn, click on no, target value, so whatever you want the target value to be, so I'm gonna just keep it at 10, starting value obviously at 0, valid teams, any teams, assign on game start, yes, just turn that on. So just follow my settings. Now you're just gonna scroll down for the tracker title. Just put like kill tracker. For the tracker description tag, just put like progress. I'll just follow all my settings. On the last settings where it said tracker completion ceremony, we don't need that. Just click on no. That's basically it for the tracker settings, so just click on OK. Now you just have to go back on island settings, and you're gonna have to click on content again. I'll go to devices again. Then once you're in devices, you have to search up elimination manager, so it should be right here, the first option. Just click on place now. You're gonna have to place it over here. Only settings you need to change is super easy, so just click on customize elimination manager, go on the second one, valid on self elimination. It should be the third option right here. Just click on OK. Okay, boom. Now if I start the game, my game, on the top it's that kill tracker progress. You could change all that. You could change the title, the description, whatever. So that's how you add kill streaks to your Fortnite map in creative in 2024. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.